Nah, I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, extra bigger day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrows.
Going true at 3 knots. We have 2 Russian aircraft SU-24 currently 2 nautical miles and closing.
115 true at 5 knots. We have 2 Russian SU-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor.
Oh, this is definitely marking on top here.
We have 2 Russian SU-24s currently conducting multiple passes at CPAs of 75 feet. Wings are clean, continuing to track and monitor.
Oh my God.
Below the bridge wing.
We have 2 Russian SU-24s currently conducting multiple passovers, wing clean, continuing to track and monitor.
4094 true 3 knots. 1 Russian SU-24 conducted 3 flybys with CPA of 1,000 yards, wings clean, continue to track and monitor.
And about 300 feet. Tight formation, left hand turn over the bow.
I have to look over on.
For Russian Helix K-827. Today's date is 12 April 2016. Time is 13:39 Zulu. Operating vicinity of 5554484 north, 0854449 east. On course 094 true at 10 knots. We have 1 russian Helix Ka-27 currently less than 100 feet encircling the ship. 2 personnel taking pictures, continuing to track and monitor.